Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel VDJ Vlogs and Tutorials. And my name is Jagdish B, a post-graduating student. In today's sessions, I would like to share the importance of why online examination, that is, what is the purpose or the reason behind the conducting of online examination system. This may includes the definition of online examination system, objective, literature survey existing system, and even the disadvantages of the current system, literature survey, that is the proposed system, literature survey, secondly also the proposed system, software, and nothing but what are the software requirements for conducting the online examination system, and even the hardware requirements for the purpose of conducting the online examinations, and student aspects or the process that should be followed by the students in order to pursue or in order to perform or in order to take the online examination, and what is the pattern or the exam module of the online examination system, and what is the responsibility of the administration and scope, and last, what are the purpose or the applications of online examinations, or even we can say that the advantages of online examination system, and is the proper view of online examination through via LAN, that is a local area network, and conclusion. So first, let us move what is the purpose or what is online examination system, or why online examination system is mandatory. Firstly, store repository of the exams. Secondly, general problem with the time for students, auto grading or the automatic grading, flexibility or flexible, time saver, security. Last but not the least, mainly purpose of online examination is to develop a system which allows the faculty to create, modify and store questions which can be grouped together or combined together to form sections, and these sections can be further grouped together to form test or online examinations. So here are some of the few aspects or the points which are responsible for conducting of online examinations, or the reason behind the conducting of online examinations. Nextly, let us move on to the subtopic, objective or the aim. Nothing but what is the purpose of conducting of online examination. Online examination will reduce the hectic job of assessing the answers which are given by the candidates through manually. Being an integrated online examination system, it will also reduce the paper as well, nothing but it will reduce the usage of paper, and to allow the faculty to give additional time to students with disabilities, and to also allow faculty to create test and answer key as well. This also allows automatic grading and the manual grading which can be recorded per test, and nextly random generation of test questions, timed exams, nothing but uh, timed exams which the exams will be conducted through timing or certain timing. With a particular time the exam should be concluded, and then the result will be shown immediately to the participating students, nothing but after the completion or the successful completion of the exams the result will be immediately displayed on the desktop or the screen of a particular website. Next, this project mainly allows faculties to create their own test, nothing but it would enable education institutes to perform test quiz and even to create the feedback forms as well. Next, literature survey existing system. The whole process of assigning tests and evaluating the course after the test was done manually till date. Processing the test paper, checking and distributing respective scores used to take time when the software was not installed. So, what now let us know about the disadvantages of the current system. Nothing but what are the disadvantages, what are the hectic tasks nowadays which we are facing due to conducting of manual exams, nothing but conducting of exams through paper, not through the desktop or through the visualization. First, the current system is very time consuming. It's nextly to take exam of more candidates, more invigilators are required, but no need of invigilator in case of online examination. Nextly, here the webcam or the camera itself acts as a invigilator while conducting of online examination. So there is no need of a particular invigilator during the conducting of online examination. Nextly, the chances of paper leakage are more in current system as compared to that of a proposed system. Next, at last, the result processing takes more time as it done manually. Nothing but through manually, the results will be declared, not declared. Nothing but it takes more time to declare the results, whereas the proposed system, nothing but a system which is conducted through online, will display the result of a particular candidate or the student immediately after his completion of a exam through manually, through online. So here is the systematic procedure of conducting the online examinations. Here we can see the invigilator. Instead of invigilator and MS Teams, online examination itself acts as an invigilator and as well as MS Teams as a invigilations. Nothing but here the webcam takes place as a invigilation, nothing but acts as a invigilator or the MS Team. Here invigilator is mainly conducted through manually, that is when exams are conducted to manually at a particular center, whereas the MS Teams, nothing but these MS Teams are responsible or takes actions when there is a conduct of a mock test or the online exam after the completion of an interview. Nothing but during the job interviews, these MS Teams will takes the responsibility in conducting of online exam, conducting of a manual exams. But instead of manual exams, online exams plays a vital role in conducting of a particular candidate's exam without any helpful of invigilator or MS Teams. That means here the webcam itself acts as a invigilator or a MS Team. Nextly, let us understood about the literature survey proposed system in detail. Firstly, the online test created for taking online test has following features. Okay. In comparison to the present system, the proposed system will be less time consuming and is more efficient. Absolutely, it's correct. Result will be very precise and accurate and will be declared in very short span of time because calculation and evaluations are done by the simulator itself. The proposed system is very secure, has no chances of leakage of question paper as it is dependent on the administrator only. Nextly, the logs of appeared candidates and their marks are stored and can be backed up for future use. Now let us know what are the software and the hardware requirements for conducting of online examination. So firstly, let us know about the software requirements for conducting of online examinations. Operating system, nothing but the system which is required for conducting online examination, nothing but a computer system or a monitor which is responsible or which is necessary to conduct of online exam system is Windows XP. Mainly Windows XP is necessary or responsible for conducting of online examinations and others platform too. Next, what is a front end and a back ends are required for responsible or conducting of online examinations. First, Visual Basic Net Platform 2010 is mainly responsible for conducting of online examination, whereas MySQL acts as a backend which is responsible for even conducting of online examinations. And last, what is the browser? Nothing but a site which is responsible for conducting of online examination is Internet Explorer or others. Nothing but even Chrome, Google Forms and Firefox, Opera Mini are responsible for conducting of a online examination. Nothing but these operating systems, front end, back end, browsers comes under the software requirements which are responsible for conducting of online examination. Now let us move on to the hardware requirements for conducting of online examinations. First, hardware requirements are partly divided into two sides, client side and the server side. In the client side, browser, any browser, processor, Pentium 2.0 and above, RAM 256 MB, nothing but in the client side, browser should be of any browser, nothing but a Chrome, Internet Explorer and Opera Mini, Firefox. Any Chrome or any browser can be responsible for conducting of online examination in client side. And processor, nothing but Pentium 2.0 and a browser is responsible for conducting of online examination in client side. And RAM, nothing but read random access memory, is responsible for conducting of online examination system through client side, which 256 MB, nothing but 256 megabytes are required as a RAM for conducting of online examination system in responsible of a client side. Now let us move on to the server side, nothing but a system side or a system side. Processor, Pentium 2.0 and above, nothing but browsers are responsible for conducting a Pentium 2.0. Pentium 2.0 acts as a processor which leads the online examination, which leads the particular website of an online examination in conducting or in successful completion of online examination. Next, what are the RAM? Nothing but what is the memory required for conducting of online examination in server side is 1 GB, nothing but 1 gigabytes is responsible for conducting of online examination system at server side. And hard disk space, the particular hard disk space must be 4 GB, nothing but 4 gigabytes of hard disk should be maintained or required or necessary for conducting of online examination at server side. Next, let us move on to the students aspects, nothing but what are the steps or the processes or the steps to be followed by the student in order to participate in a particular online examination system. First, requesting for the registration. First, one should request for the registration in order to attempt the online examination. Next, after successful registration, she should log into the system. After successful logging, some necessary updates should be maintained or should be followed after logging into the particular website. Next, should select the particular test in order to attempt. After successful selection of the test, should appear the examination, nothing but should start giving the views or the answers of a particular questions which displays on a screen. Next, after successful reviewing of his her views, she should print the result at the end of the examination, nothing but after the successful giving of his particular views, he should select the submit button, and at the end he may visible the option as print the result. After successful completion of examination, he should select the option which displays at the bottom of the web page as print the result. Then he can review the responses. It may appear or it may get, nothing but the results will be printed result will be get into a particular websites in which we have given in a updated details or in a register which before registration. Next, let us move on to the exam module, nothing but what is a pattern or the module of a online examination system. Mostly online examination process, nothing but online examination is most of the online examination is conducted in a 3 steps or in a 3 particular tasks. Firstly, one should log into the online examination system as we have discussed in a student aspects topic. Next, after successful login, he should attend the test and he should submit the exam, nothing but students should first log into the particular website in order to attend to the exam, online exam. Next, should attend after successful completion of this test, he should select the submit button. Thereafter, he may get his result in his respective email ID. Next, the particular pattern or the form of questions in the test page, nothing but what type of questions are placed in a online examination system. Most of the online exam system is based upon MCQs, nothing but multiple choice based questions are asked or displayed in online examination systems, nothing but most online examination is conducted through multiple choice questions pattern only. The questions are also selected at random, nothing but each particular question has a 4 options, and each particular questions a candidate or the student should select the particular answer from a given 4 options as a correct answer for a particular question. As we all know that most of the quiz competitions through online is mainly conducted in a MCQs based, and even mains exams, MSET, mains, and mostly the competitive exams are mainly conducted through online, which are consist of MCQs, that means multiple choice based questions pattern. Administrators aspects, nothing but what is the responsibles or the steps should be followed by the administrator in order to conducting of online examination and after the conducting of online examinations. First, taking backup of the database, editing, deleting, creating the database, changing the password, logging into the system, accepting registrations of the candidates, creating a test, posting questions in the about test, posting multiple options to perspective or the respective questions, marking correct answer within the given options, time limit of the test if any, nothing but if required, not much mandatory. Nextly, whether to randomize the questions or to merge the questions, set negative marks for wrong responses. Next, let us move on to the scope of online examination system. Scope of this project is very broad in terms of other manually taking exams. Few of them are. This can be used in education in institutions as well as in corporate world. Can be used anywhere, anytime, as it is a web-based application. Nothing but a user location doesn't matter. No restrictions that examiner has to be present when the candidate takes the test. Designed to facilitate administrator and the user. Online examination is designed for education institutes like schools, colleges, and private institutes to conduct logic tests of their students or employees on regular basis. Next, move on to the advantages. Nothing but what are the applications or the use of conducting of online examinations. That is advantages of online examination. Physical presence at a given location is absolutely not necessary. No time is spent on evaluation. Results are available instantly. Can be easily accessed 24 by 7 over the open test period. Can be timed to allow y minutes to answer x number of questions. Nothing but respect to answer should be solved in a respective time. X is the number of questions, and where y is the minutes or the time we can consider. Next, easy accessibility, available at a reduced cost, nothing but a reasonable price. Accuracy in checking the answer, calculating result, user friendly, secure because of authentication. Online exams, convenience, security, and flexibility. Exams can be assembled and previewed, edited, and published instantly too. Online examination we are learn. Here we can see the systematic procedure of conducting the online examinations via LAN. LAN is nothing but local area network. That is, L stands for local, A stands for area, and N stands for network. Here, local area networks, nothing but a dish or the signals which we get from the signal poles, acts as a local area networks, which also involves in conducting of online examination systems. Here we can see the systematic conducting of online examinations, which may all depend on a Wi-Fi router, that is mobile phone, tablet, laptop, system or the monitor or the client, internet, firewall, hub, are these all aspects are mainly dependent on a LAN network, that is a Wi-Fi router. Here Wi-Fi router acts as a LAN, nothing but a local area network, which is responsible in conducting or in taking of a online examination system through LAN. So hereby we can conclude that online examination system, nothing but OLES. Briefly we can call online examination system as OLES, is a web application or the web app. As we have discussed that a web application is nothing but a HTML document which is furtherly transferred or converted into a web document, nothing but the written the text which we write is converted into a web page. The key concept is to minimize the amount of paper and convert all forms of documentation to digital form. It can observe that the information required can be obtained with ease and accuracy in the computerized system. The user with minimum knowledge about computer can be able to operate the system easily. The system also produces brief result required by the management. So hereby we can conclude that online examination system will plays a vital role in order to save the time of a particular candidate or a particular student, and so mainly it also helps the student to gain the knowledge of a computer system. So as we all know that there is a we all know that the online examination system about the online examination system very well, but why the topic which I have chosen today is the reason behind, because during the COVID situation most of the students, that is mainly SSC candidates, nothing but a 10th standard 10th division students and even the intermediate students were passed without the examinations. So instead of conducting of a manual examination, better the government could conduct the online examination system and pass the 10th and intermediate candidates without conducting of examinations, nothing but here I suggested that before easily passing out the students without the public examinations, so especially for the SSC candidates and intermediate students, better conduct the online examinations for the candidates, in which it may helps them to understand the usage of system and technology of attempting the online examination system in further classes or in their career development. Nothing but simply I suggest the government that without conducting of exams, instead of without conducting of exams, better conduct at least the online exams for the SSC candidates and as well as the intermediate candidates through online examinations, that is MCQs based exams, in which it may also help them, it may also brings them that they have also written the exams and even they have gained the particular CGPA points, nothing but grade points by attempting the examinations. I hope you have enjoyed the session or the PPT presentation which we have chosen today, that is the importance of online examination system. Even you can use this for your seminar presentations or the PPT presentations, or even the presentation or mainly during the seminar presentation. You can use this topic in order to bring the knowledge about the importance of online examinations to the present generation students and even the youth and even the society too. And thank you, and please subscribe my channel VDJ Vlogs and Tutorials, and signing out. Bye.